This is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are going to continue in our method book with line 51, 7-note pattern. So we're going to take all 7 notes that we have learned, and we are going to work through them in this exercise. So let's start with each line. We have our treble clef at the beginning of each. We also have our key signature with 2 flats. The first flat is the B flat, tells us all B's are flat. And the second one on the 4th space is our E flat. It tells us all E's are flat. And the 2 flats in the key signature tell us that we are in the key of B flat. We are in 4/4 time. We have our time signature right here. We have 4 beats in each measure, and the bottom number gives us the value of the whole note even when we don't have one. So we use that to break down the value of everything else. So if I had a whole note and it got 4 beats, half of a whole is a half, and half of 4 is 2. So the half notes and half rests get 2 beats. Then half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1, so the quarter notes get 1 beat each. Next, half of a quarter is an eighth, and half of 1 is half. So each eighth note by itself gets half a beat. It takes 2 of them, and they generally come in pairs, 2 of them to equal 1 full beat. So on the 3rd line, I have a pair of eighth notes here. The first one falls on the downbeat of 2. The second one is the upbeat of 2. Here we have the downbeat of 4, the upbeat of 4. Downbeat of 2, upbeat of 2. Downbeat of 4, upbeat of 4. So you want to make sure if you're tapping your toe that you're thinking 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? So we're going to look at what this pattern is. So we start in the first 2 measures. We're on a B flat, thumb in 1, 1 in pinky. We go up to the C by lifting the thumb and this index finger. D, we switch everything out, and then we come back down, C, B flat. Then the next 2 measures, same pattern, but we start 1 note higher. So we start on a C, go up to a D, add the pinky for E flat, back to the D, then the C. So if I were to play this pattern, you would find the next line has the same pattern. So we start 1 more note higher. We start on the D, go up to an E flat, up to an F, so thumb, 1, 2, 3, 1 in pinky. Work your way back down, E flat, then D. And then the next 2 measures, we start on an E flat, so we're just a little bit higher. F, lift that index finger for the G, then come back down to the F and the E flat. Finally, on the last line, we are going all the way up from B flat to G. So B flat, C, D are eighth notes. Land on the E flat as a quarter. F, G on eighth notes. Then we come back down. F is a quarter, E flat, D. C is a quarter, and then we come down to our A. B flat, A, and then come back to the B flat. So that last line, and make sure you're giving your longer notes and rests their full value. So I'm going to play this a bit slowly, 84 beats per minute, and I'm going to go straight through without stopping. Here we go. I hope you can play along. And 1, 2, ready. And that's it for line 51, 7-note pattern. I hope you're able to play along and keep up. As always, if I'm going a little too fast, it's okay to pause or stop the video and try working out small sections at your own pace, and then try speeding it up as you're comfortable. I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.